Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as Jay Chanelli on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I got the wig cap on, y'all, so you know that means it's a wig review coming. Sam's Beauty sent me over some wigs, particularly this Ritzy wig, and we're gonna see what she looks like. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over a couple of wigs to review. They allowed me to pick out the wigs that I wanted to review, and the last wig that I reviewed was Jewel. She was a rose gold pink wig, so if you haven't seen that review, go ahead and watch it. I'll leave it up there. And today we're coming with an all new wig. So today I will be reviewing the Studio Cut Invisible Deep Part wig, and this is in a different style. So I didn't even realize when I was picking out these wigs that these are the exact same company and the exact same line. So this is a Studio Cut line Invisible Deep Part wigs, okay? What that tells me is that if I liked the previous wig, I should like this one too, because it should be constructed the same. So the wig that we're working with today, so this is Ritzy, and this is in the color Hot Chocolate. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're working with Ritzy Hot Chocolate today. This is the wig. This is Ritzy. So it is very voluminous body of curls, and do y'all see this color? This is the Hot Chocolate color. I really like this color, y'all. They have a variety of like ombre or like multi-dimensional colors. The cap construction is going to be the exact same as the last wig I reviewed because they are part of the same line. So here we have two combs right along the edge of the deep part, and this is the length of the part. And then we also have a comb in the back, and we have your standard elastic straps. Again, claims are the exact same as the Jewel wig. Heat resistant fiber, curling iron safe up to 360, and that it's an incredible natural look in a visible deep part. So same claims. How do y'all like my wig reviews? I have been coming with the wig reviews, and thankfully I've been getting more opportunities to do wig reviews. So thank you to y'all for supporting me so I can get these opportunities. And I'm also glad that companies have realized that you know, I can do a wig review or two. But yeah, let me know if y'all like the setup of the wig reviews as is, or if there's anything you want me to cover specifically that I'm not already covering. Let me know. Give me your suggestions in the comment section below, okay? Let me zoom y'all out. This color, y'all, do y'all see this color? Y'all are not messing with this color. This color is everything. Period. Who do I look like? This looks like a celebrity stylist. Like, this is how you would get your hair done if you were yes, exactly, precisely. I'm in love. Okay, I already like this one better than the Jewel one. The color is, I live for a good honey blonde. I live for a good highlight. I need like 10 of these wigs in like every color. This is where the hair is stopping on me. Wow. Okay, again, we haven't even done anything up here. I don't even know what it looks like, to be honest with you, because I ain't got my contacts in. I can't see. But down here we look amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once I do this parting situation. Again, I'm doing the same thing, standard procedure. We're going to pluck the part, and by pluck I literally just mean pulling individual strands out just to widen this part a little bit. And then I'm also gonna go in with some concealer, and I'll come back to y'all so we can talk more about this hair. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. This is the Ritzy wig in the color Chocolate. Pros: the best thing about this wig is this color. This color is so beautiful. It looks like a custom color. It looks like, literally, it looks like a custom color. Highlights, lowlights, is giving you the full shebang. Another pro, so minimal shedding. I really like the luster and feel of this hair. It feels like yaki. It feels like a yaki texture, so it's a little heavier than your normal like synthetic texture. I don't have any cons. Nothing but high praises from me for this wig. So again, thank you so much to Sam's Beauty for sending me this wig, and they have amazing options. Sam's Beauty is an online beauty supply store. If you're not familiar with them, they have a variety of wig options, variety of braiding hair options, even makeup and accessories that you may need. Shipping came really quickly. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We're gonna hit 10K soon. I just know it. We're gonna hit 10K soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, like this video so that YouTube can know to share it with other people. Thank y'all so much again for all of your support, all of your love. Thank you for helping me reach 7K, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, we're good. I had to make sure we were actually recording because, you know, my camera like to act up. Like I said last time, act up, you can get snatched up. City girls told you, I'm gonna reaffirm.